Power balls are a simple way to deliver a lot of nutrition to poorly nourished children. They can supply plenty of protein and energy, in addition to the vitamins and minerals from the green leaf powder. Power balls can provide much of the benefit of Plumpy Nut, a very successful patented therapeutic food used in food emergencies. But Power balls can be made from locally available ingredients at a much lower cost than the imported Plumpy Nut. Today, we will make two different versions of Power balls. Kids generally like both versions. The first has a citrus lime flavor. So begin by chopping 1 cup of peanuts. A food processor or chopper makes an easy job of this, but cutting them with a knife is also easy. It just takes a little longer. Put the peanuts in a bowl and then chop 1½ cups of raisins. Again, using either a food processor or chopper or a knife. Because the raisins are sticky, the chopping may take a little longer. Add the raisins to the bowl with the peanuts. Then add 1/4 cup of leaf powder, 1/4 cup of dried milk, the finely grated peel from 1 large lime, and the juice from 2 large limes. With clean hands, mix these ingredients together. After the dough is mixed well, form it into small balls, about 1 inch or 1.5 inches in diameter, and roll the balls in shredded coconut. The shredded coconut improves the appearance and flavor of the balls and makes them less sticky to handle. For our second Power ball recipe, put 1 cup of peanut butter into a bowl. Add 1/3 cup of powdered milk, 1/4 cup of leaf powder, and 1/2 cup of raisins. Mix the ingredients together well using a spoon. You may need to adjust the dry ingredients or the peanut butter slightly. Peanut butters vary quite a bit in consistency. After the dough is mixed well, form into small balls, about 1 inch in diameter, and roll the balls in shredded coconut. Power balls are a great snack for kids. Along with the valuable protein, vitamins, and minerals, they also pack a lot of calories. Kids need a lot of energy from their food, but use some caution if unwanted weight gain or obesity is an issue in your community. Thanks for watching.